Today I'm picking up my friends from Suite. They are a little bit afraid to go down by car, so that's why I came here. Later on we will go diving. And beautiful view, by the way.
Тебя 70 я отгорял. Я тебя припомню, как Даша. Тоже настраивалась?
Да, вообще.
Как пока осталось?
It's been a really long diving day, and the guys actually going for the night dive. I did 3 dives, done. Yeah, they also will do 3 dives, but with a night dive. They're just trying to catch up before they're leaving Bali, and that's why. Emotional climate here in Amed is, I don't know, everybody's still optimistic. Today there was another vaccination. Our Made got the 2nd shot, fully vaccinated and ready for opening. There have been a lot of cases at the moment in Singaraja, which is making all these statistics for opening worse, and that's why again the local government trying to fix this problem. But yeah, we'll see how this thing's going. That's what everyone wants to. They want to open the borders, just all the statistics doesn't allow to do it. Yesterday was really busy day in Amed. All the local dive shops was busy with the customers, mostly from Denpasar and from the south basically. We also got some divers, so that's how we've been living. All right, I think that's it for today. Feeling pretty tired. We'll start editing this video and we'll go to sleep early. Last night, because we came back from the Lahangan suite around 10-11 p.m. So then I finished this editing around 1 a.m. I need to a little bit sleep longer tonight. All right, thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, smash the thumbs up button, and see you tomorrow again. Bye. First night dive ever.